Hey YouTube, it's Alicia here. Hope everybody is having a good day. Now, the reason is I am coming to talk about a real good fashion trend that I think started about 3 years ago and that is still in fashion, and that is fashion scarves on your purse handles. I noticed that is a very good trend, and I wanted to come and show you probably about two that I had actually made myself, and I'm going to tell you how I made them and thing. So without no further ado, let's get started. So I noticed that fashion scarves are very popular. So I started getting into the fashion scarves late last year. And I noticed that some of y'all are paying between at least under $20 or over $20 for your scarves. But I wasn't going to pay that amount. I'll pay that amount to get the fabric. So I start buying my fabric. So I'm going to show you the first one. This is the first one right here. And stuff. It's not that long. It's long enough that it will go around the handle. It's long enough that it goes around the handle and thing. So it's long enough and stuff. And I will wrap it around the handle. It's long enough that it would do that. So this was the first one I ever wore, and I wore this for a long time until I found another fabric and stuff. Every piece, both of these are made out of chiffon fabric. Let me just say chiffon fabric. Okay, and both of my fabrics are from Walmart. You might want to check your local remnants at Walmart. Now this is and let me just say, a very long scarf. This is very long. Let me just show y'all. And this is from a yard, just from 1 yard of fabric right here. This one is was from a project I did. And I made these. So I'm going to show you how I would put these on my purse. So I'm going to be using this purse right here. And I'm just going to tip y'all a little forward a bit for y'all can see. So the way I do it is I'll take my corner like this. I'll go under like this. Pull it through, not all the way, and I start wrapping. So as long as I start wrapping, I'm going to make sure certain parts of my purse is covered. I'm going to make sure it's covered. So, and we're just going to take it all the way up and stuff. This is how I do it. And I'm just going to make sure I wrap it. I'm going to wrap it. Now, you see, I still have a little much more. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to unwrap it just to adjust. The base right here, because it's short, on the short side. So we're gonna unwrap it. So let's do a complete unwrap. So we're gonna unwrap it, and I'm going to do a tug. I'm gonna do a good enough tug to give me probably about that much. And we'll start back wrapping again. And that's how I go by putting my handmade scarves. I'm just showing y'all how I do it. But these are easy to make. You don't need much fabric and stuff. But like if you want to do both sides, I will say buy enough and stuff. So here we go. We're finna get into the last part. And what I'll do is I'll go back up on the first part, and what I'll do is take the corner and I will pull that through, and there you go. You have, and I'll put these in at the bottom in little knots. But yeah, that's how I would do that. Yeah, but yeah, that's how I would do that. Yeah, one is longer than the other, but hey, but that's how you could do it. Now let me just adjust this back up for y'all can see me. Now that's how I would put my scarf on my purse and stuff. But yeah, that's how I would do it. Now, if you want to do both sides, I say, and if you want 2 scarves for both sides of your clutch, that is done with 1 yard of fabric. Just ask for 2 yards of fabric and stuff. Ask them for 1 yard of fabric and then another yard of fabric. That's how I would do. But I really think if you want to do that trend and stuff, keep doing the trend, but you want them on both sides of your scarf, of both sides of your handles. Say buy at least 2 yards of fabric, or buy 1 of 2 yards of fabric of the same fabric. And I promise you, check your local fabric store. You can find some pretty good materials. But like I said, I use chiffon fabric to do mine. So if you like stuff like this, me being innovative and showing you what you can do with fabric, please thumbs up this video, comment below, and subscribe to my channel. Bye.